We're gonna go visit Jen at Allerton Abbey. This is one of my favorite parts, is English Fred's beautiful sculpture work.
Right. I really love those two. He calls them twizzles. Jackie did the finished plaster on that one. And I actually did the finished plaster on this one. There's definitely a learning curve. So I recommend starting somewhere somewhat unobtrusive until you get the hang of joining up nicely. Mm-hmm. Now all our mistakes are covered up with Dave's lovely whitewashing.
Thanks, Dave.
Yeah.
I really like how the whitewashing makes this room pretty light even as we're entering twilight.
Right. That was one of the main motivations actually, was just to bring some more light into this lower cell.
There's a close-up of these lovely stairs that I don't know who built. Somebody built them, obviously very skilled.
This is so that people of even average height don't have to stand up here and cook like Quasimodo. We can stand down here and cook, ergonomically with a normal posture, which is great.
I love that door.
Yeah, that door is really good. Oh, cloud. Perfect. No, stay. Yes, darling. I love you too.
Chateau des Poux, the Volkswagen solar cart that provides electricity for construction.
Cloud.
And the sunbathing porch.
If you like this sort of thing, come on out to the forums at permies.com, where we talk about natural building, homesteading, and permaculture all the time.